A strange morning surprise, Phineas woke up to find the entire room filled with balloons. Ferb, what's going on? Is it someone's birthday? BalloonBot was an orange balloon with a tiny AI chip and a mini fan. Whenever someone got close, it would say, "I fly, you chase. Catch me if you can. I'm the lightest robot on Earth. If you catch me, I'll burst laughing." Literally. Candace walked in, annoyed. "This is nonsense," BalloonBot replied instantly. "Nonsense is arguing with a balloon." Phineas explained how BalloonBot uses motion sensors, voice commands, and light detection AI. Kids got excited and made their own. One balloon said, "Did you brush your teeth?" "No." "Go do it." Another hit and said, "Pika, gotcha!" One screamed near candles. "Fire! Save me!" Phineas smiled and said, "AI isn't just for boring grown-up stuff. You can use it to laugh, learn, and lead. If you can make a balloon fly, joke, and run away using code, you can build anything." Suddenly, BalloonBot floated away and shouted, "Goodbye, Earthlings! NASA is calling!" All the kids burst into laughter and clapped.